Hello everyone. So we have finished the clinical bacteriology. Now we are going towards the clinical mycology. So today in this video we are going to talk about the classification of the mycosis. That means the classification of the fungal infection of the skin and the various other systems. That means basically we are going to talk about the fungal infections. Not only the skins but cutaneous, systemic and opportunistic fungal infection. So the fungal infection can be divided into three types. One is cutaneous mycosis, that means fungal infection of the skin. Another is the systemic mycosis, and another is opportunistic fungal infection. So the cutaneous mycosis is divided into three types. One is dermatophyte infection, another is infection of pityriasis versicolor, and the candidiasis or the infection of the candida albicans. So dermatophyte infection, pityriasis versicolor and candidiasis infection comes under the cutaneous mycosis. The candidiasis we will also discuss later on, comes under the opportunistic fungal infection also. So briefly I am going to say that the dermatophyte infection again can be classified into three types. So the dermatophyte infection mainly infect the skin and the skin appendages. We also call it as ringworm in the common words. So that means the tinea infection. It is known as the tinea infection. So dermatophytes can be divided into three types according to which part they infect. They are the trichophyton, microsporium and epidermophyton. The trichophyton infects skin, hair and nails. The microsporium infects the skin and hair but no nail. Epidermophyton infects skin and nails but no hair. So going towards the systemic mycosis, the systemic mycosis are histoplasmosis, blastomycosis, coccidioidomycosis and paracoccidioidomycosis, and cryptococcus, the cryptococcus neoformans. So this cryptococcus infection is also come under the opportunistic fungal infection when the CD4 count is too low, mainly in the immunocompromised state, mainly in the HIV. It can also present as opportunistic fungal infection as the systemic mycosis. Now let us discuss about the opportunistic fungal infection. The opportunistic fungal infection includes candidiasis, cryptococcosis, Aspergillus fumigatus, mucor and Rhizopus species, Pneumocystis jirovecii and Sporothrix. So these are the main opportunistic fungal infection that we see commonly. So we discuss about the classification of the mycosis, that is fungal infection. They are mainly classified into three types: cutaneous, systemic and opportunistic fungal infection. The dermatophyte infection that comes under the cutaneous mycosis is classified into trichophyton, mycosporium and epidermophyton on the base of the parts of the skin and its appendages to which it infects. So this much for the classification of the mycosis. So in the upcoming lectures we will discuss in detail about each cutaneous mycosis, systemic and opportunistic fungal infection. Thank you.